North Dakota, not exactly thought of as an exotic destination for a photography workshop. Not exactly exotic by definition, but that's what makes it so attractive. "150 years ago, many Norwegian, Swedish, and some Russian immigrants settled there. Eventually, the railroad connected them all and provided for a way to get their crops to market. But the Great Depression had an enormous negative impact on the countryside, and combined with many other challenges, they were forced to leave their farms. Today, the remnants of these farms and communities are still around, many in very tough shape, others just barely standing. These structures, combined with the big sky landscape, unpredictable cloud patterns, and the rolling hills, make for some very inspiring photographic art. For 5 years, this workshop has shown many photographers the beauty in the ruins, shared the stories, explored the properties, and imagined life during that era. We have taught the use of photographic tools that enhance and define these wonderful scenes into fine art pieces. There are reasons we have sold out over the last 2 years. For starters, we only take 10 photographers with us. Plus, it's so unique, we're the only ones doing this. Lastly, we make learning fun and ensure our guests are having the time of their life. Click on the link to learn more or to register and join the awesome team of Tony and Keith.